Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow free guest post backlink with a self-registered. Okay, so the website name is bepi milwaukee.com. So this is a very hard word to pronounce, so I can provide a website URL over the description section, so where you guys will access easily. So you can see this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. So before this started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 20, and according to Moj, so they don't have enough data. So if this site is considerable for you guys, so you can consider, but you can create a quality do follow free profile backlink on this website. You can get a month of traffic, and if you can check at this website traffic, so you will see 37.1k a monthly traffic this website having, and mostly traffic from India and the Pakistan. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the register button. Then you can add your all details, so jobma, email address, then you guys will choose your password, acknowledge the terms and condition, click on the register button. So here it is, you can see your profile is created. Now if you wanting, so you can update. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Upload your profile picture, and there you can add a short note something, and click on the save changes. And after that, click on the navigate to your username, click on admin panel, go to the add post, click on add post. You are also able to publish videos something. So there you can add your article title. So this is my article. There you can add a summary, meta description, and here you can add your content. So let me copy. So once you guys will submit the article, you can optimize the content, that like you can make it visible for the user. So you can make it bold, and you can optimize your content through the headings and the internal image, internal link, hyperlinking. So following these things, you can optimize your content. Yeah, so it's look better now. And after that, you can make it hyperlink in your content. So suppose a virtual interview software, AI powered ATS integration, so where I can make a hyperlink. So you can type the control plus K, and you can paste your website URL, click on the save changes. And after that, if you're wanting, so there you can add your targeted keywords, and there you can upload a feature image. So browse file, and you can upload your feature image. Select the file, select image, and there you can choose your language. Then you can choose your category. Then you can choose your subcategory. So there is a not visible. So after, you can click on the add post button, and you will see your post is successfully added. So now you can navigate to the post section. Then you can click on the post. So you can say this is your article. Open this article in the new tab. So this is your landing page URL. So this is your article title, image, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow, a free guest post backlink on this website. So if you guys are watching till end. So thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.